Pivot tables used to take me 10 minutes of clicking around. Now I just type what I want and it's free. Let me show you. Here's some sample sales data. Region, product category, month, revenue, units sold. If you want to follow along, I've linked this exact file below. First thing, click Ask Gemini top right corner. It's built right into Sheets, no add-in to install. Now I just tell it what I want in plain English. Create a pivot table that shows total revenue by region and product category broken down by month. Hit enter. Gemini shows me a preview card first, exactly what it's about to build. And there it is, a new pivot table built for me. Say I also want units sold in there and sorted by revenue. Same deal. I ask, review the preview card, click apply. If it's not quite right, there's an undo button right there too. That's really it. Click Ask Gemini. Describe the pivot table you want, review the preview, and apply. No dragging fields, no formulas, and it's free with any Google account. Try it on your own data. Grab the sample file below if you want to practice first. See you in the next one.